Or first warning weather with meteorologist April Madison.
Hey there, good Wednesday morning. All right, dust off the coats, the scarves, the gloves. It's coming. Yeah, we're not going to see cold air just yet today, but we are going to start seeing the wind. If you notice, all of this yellow here was just barely clipping northwest Arizona yesterday, and you can see how far down it has is sinking now. So we are under this wind advisory for the high country, probably starting today, early afternoon, and then continuing through tonight, maybe even getting extended through tomorrow. And then all this purple and pink up here, yeah, that's the winter weather. That's the cold air that's headed our way. Today still be pretty mild, maybe a degree or two cooler than yesterday, but somewhat still average when it comes to our highs, at least for one more day. And then you'll see that big drop by tomorrow. 54 at the airport right now, little bit of wind, not a lot of cloud cover, but both the clouds and the winds are going to be increasing later today. Current wind gust a little bit breezy in Green Valley, Sonoyta, Sierra Vista, and Bisbee, starting to see that picking up. Our highs today, though, again, only dropping a few degrees. We topped out at 81 yesterday. We're likely going to be, I would say, still about 78 in that 3 o'clock hour for Tucson, and then upper 60s to low 70s southeast of us. So there it is. This sucker is getting closer and closer as it sinks down, and you can see all the winter weather and the really cold air associated with it. I think this particular system for southern Arizona is going to mean two things mostly: gusty winds and cold air. There is still a little bit of a chance we're going to get some rain and mountain snow out of it, but we're definitely going to get the wind and the cool air out of it. And you can see how close those bars are already together. We call this the pressure gradient. Those lines, the closer they are, the stronger the wind. So we'll be dealing with that first. I'd say Tucson West is going to see the bulk of the winds today. Look at that, a 30-mile-per-hour wind gust in Sells. Same with the higher elevations. Dies down just a little bit overnight as our rain and snow starts to arrive, and then we see those winds picking up again Thursday. Should see most of it calm area-wide by the time we get into your Friday, and that's when we'll start seeing that really cold air. In fact, we'll see that by tonight. So we could start seeing some of these showers early on in the high country, and then we get into late tonight, overnight into Thursday morning, and that's our best chance for seeing some rain. So you may be waking up to it, or maybe even already done with it by tomorrow, but man, that elevation is really going to drop by the time we get to Thursday night. So snow early on will be right around 9,000. It'll drop to about 6,500 by early Thursday, and possibly some valley floors by Thursday night. And yeah, we're definitely going to get the cold air out of that. Check that out. We'll see a high of just 60 Friday, 54 Sierra Vista.